Hi, I'm Pritesh Kotecha. I'm the Senior Vice President of Europe, Middle East and Africa for SmartStream.
Lovely. I'm Katja Leng, the CEO of the Fintech Times. So we're here to know more about what's happening with SmartStream. How's it all going? What are the biggest news lately?
So there's been a real shift in the industry from just 12 months from 2018 to 2019. What we saw in 2018 was a lot of theory, a lot of testing in terms of where the market was going. And what we've seen in 2019 is a real move. So the traditional players are putting partnerships together.
You're talking about payments industry now?
In the payments industry, in the digital payments industry especially. And what we found is there's a big fear from the traditional players that they are moving down the technology stack as new entrants and fintechs come in. And with that, they're diluting their brands with the end client. And they're also losing sight, very importantly, of costs and fees. Mm-hmm. So for example, if you ask my 18-year-old son, who'd you bank with? He'll say, Apple. And we could keep telling him Apple's not a bank, but no, I bank with Apple. So that's where it's going, and that's a genuine fear. So what they're doing is they're separating the experience from the transaction. So the experience is creating the best experience they can for their clients. Mm-hmm. Takes a lot of time, takes a lot of money. The transaction is building digital operations or an intelligent back office, because what they're finding is the only scale is global. If they build that killer in-stream experience and they get it right, they will be flooded with brand new transactions 24/7. So you need to build operations that have a lot of flex and can cater for brand new products in a very short period of time.
Right. So how does SmartStream approach that?
So we have had an innovation lab for about 24 months now. Mm-hmm. And what we've been doing is really working with our clients to create real automation as opposed to surface automation. So just this week at Cybos, we launched our AI offering called AIR. And that really takes AI and has a practical use for it. So for example, AIR stands for AI reconciliation. Mm-hmm. In a typical reconciliation process, there's a lot of manual setting up of rules and data and workflows. Well, what we've done is we've worked with our clients and looked at where those pain points are, put the algorithms and the machines to use, and that is all catered for you. So you're literally just pouring data in. The algorithm is calculating the best format of that data.
I thought it was impossible.
It's not impossible, it's very difficult. So we've been hiring a lot of very clever data scientists, and it's a very practical use of AI. So it calculates the best matches and it calculates the best passes for you, and it's been extremely well received. So it's a real practical use of AI.
So what's your plan for this product?
The plan for the product is we've launched it. Mm-hmm. It's a real life product, it's got real life case studies, and we're hoping to take our intelligent back office and make it available on a much wider scale than typically just the banking market. It's got a big use in corporates, it's got a big use outside of financial services, and it will allow people to do things a lot quicker.
Amazing. Do you think AI is the biggest change for the kind of payments industry currently?
There is a big use case and there is a big business benefit within payments, within AI. You know, there's a lot of work being done in image bots and machine learning. The business case is still yet to be proven, but in payments there is a genuine business case. As the world gets faster and more variable, and as I said, the only scale is global, you really have to have solid operational flex in order that your product guys can launch products. And we've showed that AI has a solid business case in there, and it can add real business benefits.
It's amazing. How long did it take you to develop AIR?
We've had our innovation lab open for 24 months.
Just within 24 months you've developed?
Within 24 months, because we had a clear focus. We had an extremely clear focus, where we wanted to be, what we wanted to do, and that clear focus was really to take an operational system, which is traditionally just a processing system, and create a system of insight. So the big gold in the industry is data. Well, operational systems have mountains of data. If you can take that data, apply AI to it, it suddenly creates a boring processing system. It transforms it into a system of insight, and that's a game changer. It's absolutely a game changer, because then that insight will feed to you to build your perfect customer experience.
That just sounds amazing.
It is. We're very, very proud of it. It's been very well received. Our stand's been incredibly busy. We've had lots of follow-on appointments, so hopefully we've done something right.
Brilliant. What else is your plan for Cybers?
In terms of Cybos, our traditional plan is to reconnect and carry on the conversations with our existing clients, to showcase the new things we're doing, so in order to increase their return on investment and decrease their cost per transaction, and also to meet future clients and hopefully spread the religion, spread the message, and show that we're a very, very focused company.
Wonderful. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you.